this video, we're going to continue topic 10.14, which is talking about Taylor and Maclaurin series, and we are looking at part D of example 3. And in the free response, it's very rare to have one that connects all of the parts together. So this is kind of a rarity in this case. We're going to show the approximation found in part C is within 0.001 of the exact value of f of 1.2. So what I'm really needing to do is I need to go to the next skipped term. I know I've established early on in this thing that this series is alternating. So this is really a fancy way of them asking you to do the alternating series error bound. So I know that my alternating series error bound, I have to do it's going to estimate f of 1.2 minus the polynomial, the second degree polynomial at 1.2, which means I need to go to the next skipped term. Well, let's look at what we were given. What I'm going to go, the next missing term would be this, and I don't need to worry about the sign in front. I'm just going to look at that term, and I'm going to plug in the 1.2 into it. So we know that this would actually be less than or equal to 1 over 8 times 3 times 1.2 minus 1 cubed. So that equals, I'm just going to go underneath, it equals, let's see, 0.02 cubed over 24. But I'm supposed to be showing that it's less than this, so we're just going to do some fancy arithmetic, okay? And I have my decimal place in the wrong spot here. It should be 0.2 cubed. So 0.2 cubed would be 0.8 cubed over 24. So that is really like saying 0.8 times 0.8 times 0.8 over 24. But if I did something fancy with this, if I moved my decimal place, that would really be like the same thing as saying, I'm going to take that back. I'm going to do this a little different. Sorry. I'm going to rewrite this. I'm going to rewrite that as 0.1 cubed times 8, right? Because that's really what's going on. I've got 0.01 cubed times 8. Well, I could take that and rewrite that as that's one. If I move that, if I cube that, it's going to be 1 over 1,000 times 8 over 24, because that's what's going to happen when I cube, right? I get a bunch of zeros in front. So let's see, I can simplify 8 into 24 3 times. I don't like this where it's at. It's really the same thing as saying 1,000 to the negative 1 over 3. And we don't like where that's at. So I could bring that downstairs and go 1 over 3 times 1,000, which is, that's an equal sign. 1 over 3,000, which is definitely less than 1 over 1,000, which is equal to 0.001.